Welcome to the Kenton County Library's Pinterest series. I'm Tom Sparrow, the space painter, a professional juggler, and in this little video I'm going to show you 20 easy steps to learn to juggle. I like to do lots of steps because lots of steps makes it simpler. Other videos show you just a few simple steps, but when you get into it, it's not so simple. So these really are 20 simple steps to learn to juggle. And by juggling, there's lots of different ways to juggle. And the way I'm doing it right now is the most common. It's called the cascade. You could also learn the reverse cascade, the half reverse, the other half, or even something I like to call confusing. And when you're juggling, it's important to use your head and use both sides of the brain and to start to see the connections of life through our juggling. And that is why we are going to be juggling today with just 20 simple steps. Let's get started. Here we go now. This is the first step. You have your juggling ball in your hand, and you're just going to throw it and catch it in the same hand. This is step one. You're not throwing it from hand to hand, you just throw it and catch it in the same hand. You watch as it's peaking. You can experiment a little bit, throw a short one, throw a high one, throw it in front a little bit, throw it behind. Just get good throwing and catching in one hand. Now, step two. Step two, you have the ball in your other hand, and you just throw it and catch it using your other hand. For most of us, our other hand's not quite as coordinated, but you try the same things. Throw it a little bit higher, throw it a little bit shorter. Just practice throwing and catching using your other hand. We're ready for step three. Step three, you just throw from one hand to the other hand. As you do this, there's a kind of scooping motion. As you release the ball, then you catch it, you scoop it back from one side to the other, just back and forth. This is our third step. You can experiment with throwing it just kind of low, experiment with throwing it high, and experiment with throwing it at just that right height. All right, we're ready for step number four. Now you have two objects in your hand. Don't panic. The first thing I like to call with step four, it's taking turns. You just throw one up and catch it. You've already practiced that. But now you throw the other one up and catch it. You've already practiced that. So you throw this one up, throw that one up. Throw this one up, throw that one up. This is the whole step. Experiment doing it kind of fast, doing it kind of high. Just throw and catch from each hand. We're ready for step number five. Now to do five, you're going to do the same thing that you just did with step four, but you're going to throw both of your juggling balls before you catch either one of them. And you're going to do them in sequence. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. They're still going straight up and down, but you're going to throw the second one when the first one peaks. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. That's it. Practice that. You throw from one hand, then the other. One hand, and then the other. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Okay, we're ready for step six. Now in step five, I was throwing first from this hand. In step six, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to throw first from this hand. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. And I throw that second one when the first one peaks. Also, it's helpful at this point to notice where I'm watching. What am I looking at? And I'm looking at where the balls are peaking. That's step number six. Okay, we're ready for step number seven. In step number six, we throw, throw, catch, catch. Step number seven, we throw, throw, catch, catch. The only difference is we're going to angle the balls so that this one is going to go over there and this one's going to go over here. And so we're going to switch hands that the balls are caught in. So it goes like this. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. I throw, throw, catch, catch. Here we go. Step number eight. It's just like step number seven, except rather than throwing first from this side, I'm going to throw first from this side. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. Once again, I'm angling them so that they cross in the middle, but I don't throw them at the same time. I throw this one. When it peaks, I throw that one. Throw, throw, catch, catch. That's step number 8. So that gets us started on the basics of the foundation work for juggling. In our next video, make sure you tune in to the Kenton County Library's Pinterest series. We're going to see how you actually do 2 in 1 hand and how you do 3 in 2 hands. Tune in then. See you soon.